60-second plus ads with full character consistency are now possible with this workflow in Sora 2, and here is an example.
Okay, so can we talk about how I spent years buying expensive acne treatments that did absolutely nothing? I'm talking hundreds of dollars on products with ingredients I couldn't even pronounce, and my skin still breaking out. I found this Minimalist 10% niacinamide serum. It's literally 10% niacinamide, which actually fights acne, controls oil, and fades those dark spots. No fluff, no BS. I've been using it morning and night for like 3 weeks now, and look, my skin is actually clear. The texture is better, my pores look smaller, and I'm not getting those painful breakouts anymore. And I just take a couple drops of this niacinamide serum. It slides on like water, but gives you that soft, bouncy feeling. And the best part, it's like 600 rupees. 600. For some, honestly, if you struggle with acne, just try it. I wish I'd found this years ago. Links in my bio.
Amazing. This was a 60-second plus ad, and it could have been longer if we wanted, with the exact same character, with the exact same scene position, and holding a product that we want. Okay, so the character stays consistent across scene, and this is a game changer for marketers. So let's walk through exactly how we are doing this. So let's see how to generate these 30 to 60-second ads with consistent characters and consistent scene using Sora 2. A big update just shipped with Sora 2 is that it allows you to create these AI characters and effectively give them their own Sora 2 account. I created this character, and then you can mention that character to have them speak, hold products, do different actions, and it will maintain character and scene consistency. You can string together a number of these videos to get 30-second or 60-second or even 2 minutes of content as long as you stitch them together. This is definitely going to come to the API, so you will be able to generate all of this programmatically soon. We are going to do a full breakdown on this YouTube channel as well. So subscribe so you can see exactly how we do that with the workflow and programmatic software. For now, I will show you how we made these ads. For now, I'll show you how I made these ads. So for this example, I will pretend that this is a brand. For that, I am making UGC style ad that are longer than 15 seconds. These kind of ads perform best on platform like Facebook and Instagram, and they are usually like 30 to 60-second long. So first, I'm going to use this product which I have on my Canva, and I have picked a sample avatar, so I am going to copy this as well. Okay, and now I am going to make a Sora 2 character with this. So first I'm going to enter the prompt. So now that we have defined the prompt, we will going to start. And let's just wait for it to complete. So when it finished, we got the character something like this. So
look at this. See that sheen? That's not highlighter. That's just skin. It's super lightweight, sinks in fast, and it makes makeup go on so... Okay guys, so I've been testing this glow serum for about 2 weeks now, and I have to show you what it's been.
So this is the character. We are going to make a character from this. From there, I will go to the 3-dot menu on the video and create a character from this. So click on create character. Here you can pick the selection from anywhere from this. So I will select this and then click on next. Now I will give her a name. Let's just say UGC girl 1 2 3 4 5. I'm going to copy the name as well. Here you can describe your character. You can remove anything that you don't want in your the upcoming videos that are going to be stitched. So everything is fine, we will continue. Click on everyone, and here you basically create the character. So now you can basically use the @ and just paste this character, and you can use it anywhere. And then now you can use this anywhere in your next upcoming videos that you will generate with Sora 2. Now let's see how I made those earlier videos which I shown you in the
Struggle with acne.
starting.
It really snapped on this year.
So, okay, so now let's see how I made the previous ad that you saw in the video. So first I pick any product. So this was a product, this minimalist product. So I took a screenshot of this image and made in Canva, and then I made this character which has the attributes assigned. After this and then I use this character with each of these prompts, and then I added these prompts into one combined video. As you can see here, I provided this image in all of those prompts. After downloading all these images, I combined into one. I removed the watermark, and then that was the final video that you saw. Now if you are looking for how you can make these kind of prompts, so I have these prompts which I will share with you in the description as well. Another thing that I want to share is that I took help with the cloud, where I defined this prompt and told that this is a face serum company minimalist, and you have to come up with a 50-second script for a girl in her kitchen to speak UGC style to an iPhone camera, talking about the advertising and the anti-acne face serum. And this gave me this all these 5 to 6 prompts which I entered in this Sora 2 chat box with the image of this box, and it gave me these kind of videos. You can obviously make it perfect, and we will later in this channel we will talk about how you can make this UGC style videos more perfect, and hopefully there will be API access very soon, so we will be able to automate this as well. If you like this video, press the like. Thank you for watching.